Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to disable the voice assistant or what we call narrator in our Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step is at the bottom search bar, you need to type for settings. Once you've typed it, the best match would appear. Double tap to continue. So here at the settings, proceed directly to the left side of it and look for accessibility, which I can see here next to gaming. Click on it. The moment you've clicked on it, you would be able to open the accessibility tab where it has three options: vision, hearing, and interaction. And since we'll be disabling our narrator, then let's proceed to the vision, and at the very last option under that, you can see there the narrator, which what we're looking for. Simply tap it to continue. So the moment you've tapped it, you would see there use narrator, and under that, the very first of it is narrator, and you can see there an option. Just simply turn this off. So let's say, for example, you have turned on your narrator. So this is what actually how narrator works. Okay. So let's just close this and then turn this off. So in that manner, you have just successfully disabled or turned off the narrator or the voice assistant in your Windows or computer. Okay? Just simply close this window and you're good to go. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.